Wealthies, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm McCall Junley White, the founder and CEO of WealthMore, and this is All the Wealth, our wealth building channel. And I am here today to introduce you to Mora. Mora is WealthMore's AI financial coach. Mora is here to help you with your everyday questions, tips, insights to help you build wealth. And we are making Mora available to all of our community free members. You guys get to be the first to try her out. You guys listening, tuning in, telling us what you want to hear has actually allowed us to train Mora so that she can relate to everyday people like us. Go to wealthmore.net, join community free, be the first to get an invite to try Mora. Yes, we are changing the way people get financial advice using our human advisors. So you will still see Tanya, Jacob, Rick, Matt, Corey in the app, but you also get some help from Mora. The future of wealth is here and we're shaping it. So take a look. Join us. All the wealth.